Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain SA1 Maths question paper ma 8th class 8th. Okay, SA1 question paper. See, first question is given. Actually, you have three sections, no? First section you have 2 marks question, second section 4 marks question, third section 8 marks questions, right? Here first section, first question. Simplify 2 by 3 whole power minus 6 into 9 by 4 whole power minus 3. See, here we should use the formula a by b whole power minus m is equal to b by a whole power plus m. See, here if you change the negative exponent to positive exponent, then you can you should write the reciprocal of the given number. Here a by b is there, no, b by a it will come. Okay, now similar way here you can apply the formula here. Here negative power is there, no. If you want to write in positive power, we should take the reciprocal of the numbers. So 3 by 2 will come. So here also 4 by 9 positive power. Okay, now individual powers you need to write. 3 power 6 divided by 2 power 6 into 4 power 3 divided by 9 power 3. Here write 4 in terms of 2 and 9 in terms of 3. Okay, here 4 is there, no, here 9 is there, no, you can change that. This one as it is, 3 power 6 by 2 power 6 into, here 4 in terms of 2 square we can write whole power 3. Here 9, 3 square we can write whole power 3. Okay, here we should use the formula a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So here 2 3 is a 6, 2 3 is a 6 will come. So 3 by 6, sorry, 3 power 6 by 2 power 6 into 2 power 6 by 3 power 6. Here 2 power 6 numerator and denominator will cancel. Here also numerator denominator will cancel. Here 1. Okay, I hope you understood. Next, second one. If x is equal to 4 by 5, y is equal to minus 3 by 4, then find the value of x plus y by x minus y. Very simple. We should substitute x, y values in this given expression. So x, y. Now x plus y by x minus y. Here x is 4 by 5 plus y is minus 3 by 4 divided by, here 4 by 5 minus of minus 3 by 4. Okay, denominators are not same, so do LCM. Okay, 5 comma 4, here 5 comma 4. Okay, you can take LCM. If you take LCM 5 and 4, you can get a LCM is 20. Now you can write here 4 by 5 into, here for denominator we want 20 LCM, no, so with 4 table we can multiply, here with 5 table we can multiply, you can get the denominators same 20 20. Okay, you can write that values, corresponding values here. Okay, next page I wrote that one. See, changes into equal denominators, right? Now 16 minus 15 divided by 20, 16 plus 15 by divided by 20. If you write, you can get this one. Okay, denominators 20 20 we can cancel. Next step, see, 16 minus 15 1 by 20 divided by 31 by 20. Okay, now here you can write the reciprocals. 1 by 20 into, here 20 by 31, 20 20 will get cancelled, 1 by 31. Now x plus y by x minus y is equal to 1 by 31. Okay, this is the final answer. X plus y by x minus y is 1 by 31. Okay, next, third question. Compare the values of m power n and n power m if m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 3. Simply mn values we can substitute here. Okay, m is 4, m is 4, n is 3, no? So m power n means 4 power 3, n power m means 3 power 4. Okay, now 3 times you can multiply, here 4 times you can multiply. Why? Because powers or respective powers. Okay, here you will get 64, here you will get 81 if you multiply. Now always 81 only greater than 64. What is 81? N power m. That is n power m is greater than m power n. Okay. Next, fourth one. Express 3.7 bar in p by q form. Okay, here bar is there for one digit only, 7. Okay, so given that here periodicity is 1. Why? Because only one digit is repeating. Okay, x is, let us take x is equals to, if you remove the bar symbol, you can write repeated digit, that one 3.777 up to so on. Let us say equation 1. So we should multiply both sides by 10. So if you multiply equation 1 with 10, 10x is equal to, here one decimal point it will move, 37.77 up to so on. So you can subtract this 1 from 2. Okay, from equation 2 you can subtract equation 1. After subtracting, see, 10x is equal to 37.77, x is equal to 3.77. Here you can subtract. Okay, if you subtract 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, here 7 minus 3 will gives 4, here 3 as it is, 10x minus x 9x. Okay, now 9x is equal to 34, x is equal to 34 by 9. Okay, now p by q form, this is only p by q, this is p, this is q. So therefore the p by q form of 3.7 bar is equal to 34 by 9. Okay, next fifth one. Fifth one, see, these two are parallel lines, this is the transversal. In the adjacent figure, L is parallel to M, then find the value of x. Given that L is parallel to M, N is a transversal. Okay, N is a transversal. If a pair of parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the pair of alternative interior angles are equal. Therefore 3x plus 12 is equal to 5x minus 8. So 5x, here transpose of plus 3x will be minus 3x is equal to 12. Transpose of plus minus 8 will becomes plus 8. So 2x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 by 2. X is equal to 10. 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. Okay. Next, sixth question. Two complementary angles are in the ratio 1:2. Find the angles. So we know that if two angles are complementary, then their sum is 90 degrees. Consider x and 2x as the angles. That ratio, if you remove the ratio symbol, you can take one with we can multiply with one variable, 1 into x x, 2 into x 2x. Okay, now here they mentioned angles are in the ratio, find the angles, no? So x plus 2x is equal to 90. Why? Because here complementary given, no? What is mean definition of complementary? If sum of two angles should be 90, then we can call those two are complementary angles. So sum of these two angles we should equate to 90. Why? Because these two are complementary angles. Now 3x is equals to 90. X plus 2x 3x. So x is equal to 90 by 3 is equal to, here you can do the cancellation. 3 ones are 3, that is 90. X is equal to 90. Second angle will becomes 2x, no? 2, you can substitute x value here. So 2 into 30, 60. So the two complementary angles are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, you can take the screenshot and you can write in your notebook. These questions are important, you can revise. Next, represent, seventh question, represent 5 by 6 and minus 2 by 3 on the number line. Okay, here simply we can use a separate number line, otherwise you can take the denominators like fraction, you can change it and you can represent on the single number line. That is your wish. Here denominator 6 is there, so based on that you can take 1 by 1 by 5, 2 by 5, sorry, here denominator 6 is there now, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, like that we can check, and wherever we are getting 5 by 6, that you can mark it on the number line. Okay, here it depends on the denominator 3. Here it will get 0, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, up to so on. Here minus 2 by 3 is here. Okay, now section 2, these are the 4 marks. Okay, next video I will explain. Okay, thank you.